This will be the Tudia Omnix case for the OnePlus 6. Now I want to give Tudia a special shout out for sending this over for review. So let's dive right in. Comes with this little pamphlet here, Omnix for the OnePlus 6, and you can pause the video and read that if you want. Opening this up, more information about the case. Flipping it over. Take a look at that if you want. Put that to the side. This is the packaging that it comes in. Typical Tudia packaging. Okay. Open this. Check this case out real quick. You have the fake OnePlus 6. Take the plastic off, put that to the side, and let's see, how does this opens, I assume. Okay, I may have to figure this out. How do you open this? Okay, hold on a second. Let me figure this out. I know this comes apart somehow. Okay, got it. This comes apart like that. There you go. Take that off, and there's plastic on the underside. So, and here you go. This is the Omnix. Several parts to this case. This is the top portion, goes over the phone, the screen protector. Comes with a black border. This is plastic. We have these for the cutouts, your half cutouts for the buttons, etc. Cutout right there. And on top, you have your cutouts for the notch. This is the TPU part of the case. I don't know if you can see this, but right there it says Tudia Omnix, and it says designed in USA by Tudia, made in China. Has a honeycomb design on the bottom, your volume rocker here, cutouts on the bottom, you have some flaps here, as you can see. You have your buttons here, and you have a very industrial design here on the back. This piece right here that goes over the screen, you put this on first. So you can see, just line it up, and it snaps right on or slides right on. See the cutouts right there, etc. match up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to put it in the TPU case so that the top portion goes inside of the case, and that's what keeps it together. So that took me a couple minutes to put together, but I gotta say, once you put this case together, you have some pretty good protection here for the OnePlus 6. So you can see the front is covered by the plastic screen protector of the case. That frame goes inside of the TPU, and I gotta say, this is pretty good right here. This will provide your phone with some good protection. So let's check out the buttons real fast. Power button, nice and clicky. No issues with a power button. Now, see this little flap right here. This is to access your slider, so you kind of open that, and there's your slider. On this side is the volume rocker, so let's check out the tactility. Nice and clicky. Usually these Tudia cases, they have a nice tactile raised button on their cases, so no issues with that whatsoever. Actually, let me take it out of silent mode so you can see the volume change. There you go. And then now, as you can see, volume is changing right there. Very nice. Take a look at the bottom of the case. Cut out for your speakers. A little flap right here covering the USB Type-C port for charging. You have a little hole right there for your mic. And if you need to use the headphone jack, open the flap, gives you access to that port. And on the back of the case, cut out for your cameras and fingerprint scanner, which that should be easy access. Now, do I have fingerprint set up on this phone? I don't, but it's wide open. Put your finger right there. Should work with no issues. Overall, the fit and finish of this case is pretty good once you get it together. Putting it on might take you a few minutes, but once you install it, fits nice and snug and provides some pretty good protection for your OnePlus 6. Definitely a little bit more on the rugged end. If you're looking for something like that for this phone, this is a good option to go to. Now, I believe they do come in different colors. This is the red one. Now, if you have the red OnePlus 6, this will go very nicely with that phone. I don't think this case is water resistant, so keep that in mind. You can't all of a sudden dunk your OnePlus 6 in water, but you want something with a little bit more protection, this is a good option to go with. From Tudia. Very nice. And real quick, checking the front lip. You have a massive front lip here, and you have that plastic screen protector. So you lay this down flat on the surface, on a flat surface, no issues with that whatsoever. So this is the Tudia Omnix case for the OnePlus 6. Once again, special shout out to Tudia for sending this case over for filming. Very cool case, definitely something a little bit different. Thanks for watching, peace out.